in his family from New, which is absolutely fantastic. Very much a regular here at the show, and nice to see you. Thank you very much. The next machine is something I don't know a great deal about, so I'm going to ask the lady to maybe tell me a bit about it.
I don't know a lot about it. I think it's late 1960s, it's Italian, and it would have been on the common art for Red.
Excellent. Yeah, you can quite see it going around Lake Como with a nice sort of coloured canvas on the top. So data from about 1929. You'll note on the rear mudguard it has the skirt guard, and that is of course when ladies were expected to ride in ankle-length dresses, and we spoke about the loop frame earlier. Nice to see a period lamp fitted on it, and again a machine which we can trace back to Joe Fryer, who we have to thank for this section starting here. Thank you very much indeed for bringing it round. Another Rally 20 here. This is in a nice colour scheme, again with the front and rear carriers, and of course still very practical today. We've got 4-speed dyno hub, I believe, on the back, and again, Cerney archer gears, nice basket, white wall tyres. Excellent, thank you very much. We spoke earlier about BSA. This is a later example, probably dated from late 1960s, I believe. Yeah. Again, a typical ride-to-work example, nicely preserved with a Miller dynamo-powered front light. I know this gentleman takes it regularly with him on his motorhome. Still very good at riding to work today, and probably lasts longer than many of the machines you'll buy for a similar